Thank you for logging in on time.
Sure, uncle. Yeah.
I
Uncle,
just
you can hear
finished
me,
the
right?
conference. That's why.
Yeah, you can hear me, right?
Yeah, very loud and clear. Properly, I
Right.
can hear
Sure,
you.
sure, sure.
Okay. Now, what we have to do? Were you able to finish any of the homework sums?
No, uncle, I had exams.
Oh, okay. Then you complete it tonight or tomorrow
Sure,
sometime.
sure, sure.
We'll complete this exercise and let us start the next one, because correlation coefficient and regression analysis are very important and interesting things to do from research point of view. If you want to become a research scholar, these are the things in quantitative research that you really need to
Okay.
be completely familiar with. So those who are going to do up to their PhD, if you have to do a PhD, then coming chapter and this chapter is very important. Probability you have to understand very well. Huh? Okay. From a pack of 52 cards, 14 sum, there is a problem. Okay. Your textbook is giving some answer and I don't know how that answer is coming. Okay. Let us do this sum very simply. From a pack of 52 cards, two cards are drawn at random. Find the probability one is a king, the other is a queen. Okay. As far as I know, two cards are drawn at random. One is a king. So the favorable events, favorable outcomes equal to 4. Total possible outcomes is 52. Okay. So P of getting a king is 4 by 52. Find the probability one is a king, other is a queen. P of Q also, assuming that you have taken out one card, okay, then total number of cards are 51. Okay, but there are still 4 kings you can take out. Okay, that is there. So then P of K intersection Q, K intersection Q is equal to P of K into P of Q. Okay, because these are independent events.
Uncle, quick question. How come 4 by 52 will come? How come 4 by 52 will come? 50.
Favorable outcomes. There are 4 kings, no? King dice is there, king hearts is there, king spade is there.
Then in case for queen also you should do no, uncle.
Huh?
They're asking to find the probability that one is a king and other is a queen. So we should take 8 no, uncle.
You should take 8.
Yeah. And king and queen இருக்குல்ல?
No, you can't pick. You have to take one card at a time.
Okay.
Although you take 2 cards with your hand, if you have taken a king in one hand, then you cannot take a king. You cannot take that same card in another hand. Okay.
Yeah.
So that means from the pack of 52 cards, one card is already taken. One card you removed. Okay, then remaining 51 cards only remaining. Okay. So he's not telling that the card is not replaced, but actually the card is not replaced. Okay, so for spade, hearts, dice, and clavers. So there are 4 kings only, favorable cases. That's why the top one is 4. Bottom one, a total 52 cards. Now you have taken away one card. So still there are 4 queens, same way. Queen of diamond, queen of spade, queen of hearts, and queen of claver. No, I mean queen of claver. 4 queens are there. So this is number of favorable outcomes is 4. Total number of outcomes possible is 51 now, because one card is taken away. Either that way or this way. Either you can say one queen is taken first, then out of 52 cards, and then one king is taken out of remaining 51 cards. Same thing only will come. Both are same. So 4 by 52 into 4 by 51. 51. That is equal to 16 divided by 52 into 51. Okay. If you have calculator, you can calculate that. 52 into 51. 52 into 51 is equal to 2652.
Yeah.
Okay. 2652. 2652 divided by this is divided by 4. This is divided by 4. You are getting 4 by 663. Okay. 663. That's all is the answer. Or 16 by 2652. If you do 16 by 2652, the decimal answer is 0.0060. Your textbook answer is 0.0120. It's coming double this. Okay. So I don't know why your textbook is telling that. One of the guides is taking combinations, using combinations and doing it. By taking combination as 4C1, number of ways, and then king can be taken out of number of cards is 4C1, 4C1, then 4 into 4. 4C1 is 4 into 4. That is equal to 16 numerator. Then denominator is telling 52 C2, and then 51 C2, and multiplying all this. Now all this unnecessary, combination, all that unnecessary. This is the answer. I think your textbook is giving some wrong answer and guide is trying to do some nonsense with that. So what I would suggest is, if exercise 8.2, problem number 14 is asked, you skip it. Okay, better be safe, because if some idiot is going to answer that problem according to the textbook, then you will be in a soup. Okay, so better avoid answering problem number 14 if it comes in your examination. Don't take it up. Okay. As far as I know, the answer the textbook gives is wrong, and the guide is also wrong. Okay, guide is always trying to fit the textbook answer. It is wrong, so don't do it. Okay, but so this is the answer. I'm going to put it on your WhatsApp now. Now let us do the 15 sum. 15 sum also very easy. This is also dependent events. Lydia, can you? Ask him to leave. Tell him it's a private area. I'm in a class. Okay, let us do 15 sum. My house, people don't understand.
It's fine, uncle. I can't hear them anyway. So
you can't hear them, but they're disturbing. It is coming right in my door and talking, putting a phone call. I'm asking Lydia to chase them away. Okay. A card is drawn from a pack of playing cards. Another card is drawn without the first being replaced. That means they are dependent events. Okay. First event is P of A. One card is drawn. What is the probability? 2 A's. P of A is 1 ace is drawn. Card is an ace. Okay. Okay. Probability of B dependent on A is also another ace is drawn. Okay. Now, what is the probability of drawing 2 aces? First time, how many aces are there? A dice, A hearts, A clover, and ace. Just a second, my.
Sure.
Okay. Where were we? A clover, A dice, A hearts, and A spade. Like that. So there are 4. Favorable cases are 4. So first time it is 4 by 52. Okay. Now second time, the 1 ace has been taken away. So P is dependent on 1 ace already taken away. Okay. So both are being aces is P A intersection B is P of B by A into P of A. The formula. Okay. P of A is 4 by 52. What is, A intersection B, we have to give by P of B by A. P of B given A is now the set is reduced to 51 because one card is taken, is not replaced. One ace is also taken, not replaced. So only 3 more aces remaining. Suppose A spade was taken away, then only 3 cards are remaining. This is 3 by 50. Therefore, the answer is 4 by 52 into 3 by 51. Okay. That is 12 divided by 52 into 51. We just got the answer. Wait, I will do that again. So to 2652. 2652. If you divide by 2, 2652. You divide by 4, you get 663. If you divide this by 4, you get 3. Okay. 3 will go in this 2, 2, 1 time. So the answer is 1 by 221. That is the probability of both being aces. Okay, now this is only one part, first part of the whole thing. We have to do the second part. Second part is 2 spades are coming. Okay. What is the probability of drawing 2 aces? The drawing 2 spades. Okay. Now P of A is drawing a spade. That is, there are the 13 cards which are spades. Total number of cards are 52. So this is equal to 1/4. All right. Now this card is not replaced. So P of B is dependent on A because already a spade is removed. One spade is already chosen and removed. So remaining cards are 51 cards. Out of that, only 12 cards, 12 spades are remaining. Okay. So P of A intersection B in this case will be P of A into P of B by A. That is equal to 1/4 into 12 by 51. This will go 3 times. That is equal to 3 by 51. That is your answer. So 2 spades is equal to probability of 2 spades equal to 3 by 51. Probability of both being ace is equal to 1 by 221. Okay. You got that? No? Very simple sum this is. Okay. இதில் வந்து குழப்பம் இல்லை. In 14 sum, they have confused you. In 15 sum, there is absolutely no confusion. You have any doubts?
No, okay.
Okay. These are all conditional probability problems.
Okay.
Second event is dependent on first event. That is why these are all conditional probability problems. 14th problem also conditional probability problem. 15th also conditional probability problem. 16th will be Bayes theorem. Okay. 13th also conditional probability problem. 13th also they're confusing this and that. Okay, but it is a conditional probability problem. It is known. It is already given. If things come like that, then they are conditional probability problems. Okay. Should understand. So actually 12, 13, 14 and 15 are conditional probability problems. 15 is the nice one. If it comes, you write it. 13 also you can take it up. 12 also you can take it up. But 14 if it comes, you better avoid it. Now I'm going to paste this in your WhatsApp. Let us do sum number 16 now. It's a Bayes theorem, very important sum. Three by 51. If you further simplify, it will become 1 by 70. We forgot to do that. Okay, 1 by 17. Now let us do exercise 8.2 16th sum. This is Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem sum. A company has 3 machines A, B, C, which produces 20, 30, 50% of the product respectively. I told you if it comes A, B, C, you make it as P of E1, P of E2, P of E3. Okay. It produces 20%, 0.2 or 2 by 10 or 2 by 20 by 100. Okay. P of E2 is 30%, 30 by 100. P of E3 is 50%, 50 by 100. Okay, these three are there. Now, defect. A is the event of defect arising. Defect product. Okay. You don't know what that product is. Event of a defective product. A is the event. Now, what is the probability that the product is produced by machine A and is defective? What is the probability that is produced by machine A and is defective? It has come out of machine A, but it is defective. Okay, that is 7 by 100. Then probability is coming out of machine 2 and is defective. That is equal to 3 by 100. And probability that it is coming out of machine 3, machine C, and it is defective is 5 by 100. Now you got all your data correctly. Now all you have to do is apply the formula. If it is defective, what is the probability? It has been made by machine C. So he is asking, what is the probability that it is defective, but this defective thing is defective, but it has come from, defect has come from machine C. Is equal to what? What is the formula? P of E3 into P of A by E3 divided by P of E1 into P of A by E1 plus P of E2 into P of A by E2 plus P of E3 into P of A by E3. Okay, this is the formula. What is P of E3? 3 by 100 into P of A by E3 is 5 by 100 divided by, what is P of E1? 20 by 100 into P of A by E1, 7 by 100 plus P of E2 is what?
E2 is 50 by 100.
P of E2 is 30 by 100. Do P of A by E2 is how much? P of A by E2 is
3 by 100. Okay.
Plus, what is P of E3?
P of E3, 50 by 100.
50 by is P of E3, 50 by 100. P of A by E3?
5 by 100.
5 by 100. So we just solve for this. Everything is over. 50 into 5 is 250 on the numerator. Okay. 100 into 100 is 10,000. Divided by, take LCM here, 10,000. Everything is 100 into 100, 100 into 100, 100 and 10,000. Okay. 20 into 7, 140. 30 into 3, 90. 50 into 5, 250. This 10,000 and this 10,000 cancel. So you get 250 divided by 140 plus 90 is 230. 230 plus 250. 230 plus 250. 480. Take this 0 off. Answer is 25 by 48. So the probability that it is produced, product produced by it is defective and produced by machine C. Okay, is 25 by 48. That's all. Okay. Bayes theorem looks like it is a very big problem, but once you correctly get the information on the left hand, the calculation on the right hand is only based on formula. Just you have to apply the formula and carefully do it. No? So it's actually very simple, but it looks like very long and very complex. Get the left hand side things properly. Correctly put P of E1, E2, A3. Don't get confused. Oh, A1, A2, A3. There is only one A, no arbitrary event. Here they are telling A, B, C and all. Don't get confused. That's not the problem. That is only E1, E2, E3. They are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Okay, product is either produced by machine A or B or C. They are mutually exclusive. If machine A is producing, machine B is not producing the product, and machine C is not producing the product. That is what is meant by mutually exclusive. And they are collectively exhaustive. That means either machine A, machine B, machine C only can produce the product. There is no other machine that can produce the product. That is collectively exhaustive. So that is why E1, E2, E3 are calling it, because it is satisfying Bayes theorem. What is Bayes theorem saying? The events must be mutually exclusive and collectively exhausting. And then it is connected to another arbitrary event A, which is somehow connected to this. Okay, that A is the event of defect. That's why you have to take. Okay, once you take that clearly, then there won't be any confusion. So we finished 8.2. You do the homework for it. Let us go to 8.3.
Okay.
8.3 MCQ. So we can we can do it fast, simple sums. But you must be very careful. Which of the following is a positional measure? This is a verbal answer. You only have to tell. Range, mode, mean deviation, or percentile. Positional measure. Exercise 8.3.1.
8.3.1.
Position. Based on the position in the number or order.
Mean deviation, uncle.
No, mean deviation is deviation from the MD is based on calculating arithmetic mean.
Okay.
Arithmetic mean is not based on position. Range also has got nothing. It's a method. It's a dispersion.
Yeah, percentiles, uncle. Percentiles.
Yes, percentiles. See, percentiles and deciles and quartiles are just like median. Median is a positional measure. You arrange in ascending order. You take the middlemost value. It is median. Okay. Same way, percentile means you arrange in ascending order and you take the 1/100th value or 2/100th value or 3/100th value. So you take the ascending order and take the positional value. So percentile. Quartile means you take 1/4, half, 3/4 value. See, wherever it is position, these are all positions. 100th position, 200th position, 300th positions, or 99/100th position. So that is why it is called percentile is called positional measure. Okay. Let us do other question. Very good. Very good. Calculating the average growth of the economy, the correct mean to use is what? Arithmetic mean or weighted mean is not any mean. There is nothing called weighted mean. So A is wrong answer. Among the other three, which is correct answer?
It is arithmetic mean, uncle.
No, you have to think. I told you so many times which mean is used for when
average growth of economy. So it's
the economy is growing and it is changing. Anything that is changes are happening across years, what you have to use? When the population is changing across years, what you have to use?
We have to use...
Still not got it, huh? Whenever the rates are...
I just forgot.
See, you are forgetting. You should not forget. Very easy. I am also doing many things, but I don't forget what I am learning. Only if you don't forget, you have learned it. Geometric mean, okay?
Yeah.
Geometric mean only for changes across the years, across the month and all that. Yeah. Harmonic mean is for what?
Harmonic
mean is for rates. Fellows traveling at 50 kilometers per hour. Or the mileage is giving 50 kilometers per liter or 40 kilometers per liter it is giving, like that, or hundreds hours per semester. Everything, anything connected with rates you use harmonic mean. You should not forget all this. Anything connected with the change across the years or across the months or across the weeks or even a changes across the year. Changes nale vandu geometric mean.
Okay.
Rates nale vandu harmonic mean. இது ரெண்டும் இல்ல வெறும் numbers ஓட deal பண்ணாதான் arithmetic mean. You are dealing directly only with numbers and not with changes across the months or years, across time. Okay. Changes across time, geometric mean. Rates, any x by y. Any x by y, okay, that becomes a rate, okay, that is harmonic mean immediately. Okay, third sum. When an observation in the data is 0, then its geometric mean is, see, geometric mean is actually, suppose their values are x1, x2, x3, up to xn. You are going to take the log of the sigma x and then do anti-log. Okay, then you get the geometric mean. But you are doing this because originally it is x1 into x2 into x3 into x power of n. Okay. Now, I'm going to ask you a very simple question. This is the original understanding of geometric mean because you are not able to do this calculation very complex. We are taking log of sigma x and doing anti-log. Okay. Now, if one of these values, say x of I, x of 1 is 0, what is the product of 0 into whatever x2 into x3? What is the product?
0
into anything is what, man?
0.
It is 0. Okay, so you have to take square root of 0. That also will be 0. Okay. Yeah. So third answer is what?
0.
C is 0.
C, yeah.
Okay. Don't give, cannot be calculated because if you take log of 0 to the power of 10, that becomes infinity. That cannot be calculated. Okay. But that is not the definition of geometric mean. You are only using that method and then using anti-log. Anti-log of log of sigma log of x. Okay. So that becomes infinity. Then you will think, oh, it cannot be calculated. No. That is not the real answer. Real answer is x of 1 into x of 2 into x of 3 that by root. Okay. Fourth sum. Third sum, remember, it is 0. Any data is 0. Geometric mean is a root of x1 into x2 and 3. All of the product will be 0. Root of 0 will be 0. Okay. Then fourth one. Best measure of central tendency. Okay. The most popular and best measure is what?
What is central tendency, uncle?
Central tendency. Oh my God. Okay. This is 7. This is 9. This is 11. This is 5. This is 3. Everything is moving towards the center. What is this center? So how many central tendencies measures are there? Arithmetic mean.
Arithmetic
median
mean,
is there. Mode is there. 9th standard question you are asking in 11th standard. You should not ask like that.
I forgot, uncle. Sorry.
You're doing a lot of schoolwork, man. Your schoolwork is confusing you. Okay. Yeah, there is a problem with school. School will always make your learning difficult. So take your school less seriously and take the learning properly. Your learning is important. Attending school is not important.
So arithmetic
best
mean,
measure of central tendency is arithmetic mean.
Arithmetic mean, yeah.
That is the most popular. Like, okay, fifth one. The harmonic mean of the numbers 2, 3, and 4. Okay. What is harmonic mean? 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3. Then mean of that and the inverse of that mean. That is mean n by 1 by x1 plus 1 by x2 plus 1 by x3. Okay. Now, there are how many? N is how much here? N is how much in fifth one? 3 numbers. Okay. N is 3. 3 divided by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4. How much is that? 3 divided by, take 4 as the LCM. 1 by 4, no, not 4, 12 as the LCM.
Not 12.
This is into 3 into 3. So you get 3 here. Okay, this is into 6 into 6. You get 6 here. This is into 4 into 4. You get 4 here. 6 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to how much? 3 by
13.
3 by 13 into 12. Okay. It is equal to 36 by 13. That is the answer. The answer is there?
Yeah,
yes, it is there. C is there. It is correct. Okay. Okay. First 5 sums very easy. That's why I told you this exercise 8.3 very easy. But you should remember. Without remembering anything, if you are telling, how will you? These are simple sums, Ra. This is not anything difficult. But you should remember. If you don't remember, then you cannot answer. So you are attending school, then you are forgetting all your mathematics. Okay, now I told you geometric mean, simple method, straightforward method. Exercise 8.3, sixth sum. Okay, GM is actually what? X1, X2, X3, X3 up to Xn is given. GM is nothing but what? X1 into X2 into up to X1. Okay. Now, if only two numbers are given, you don't have to calculate log, this, that, and all that. Okay. Two numbers are 8 and 18. So, geometric mean is root of. Huh?
The answer is 12, uncle.
How you got? 4 into 2 into 9 into 2. Root of. Okay. So, 4, 2 squared into, this is also 2 squared into 3 squared. Root of 2 squared. That is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. That is 4 into 3. That is 12. Very good. 6 sum. Correct. You're correct. Very good. You did this way or how you did?
This way only, uncle.
Very good. Very good then. Okay. Tell me 7 sum. What is correct? AM is less than GM is less than HM or which one? 4 options.
Uncle. AM is 1 minute.
A, B, C or D, which is correct?
Uncle A, uncle.
Arithmetic mean will always be the largest. Geometric mean will be the next largest. Harmonic mean will be the smallest. Okay. You have forgotten everything. You are not remembering anything. What to do with you? How will you, man? I am assuming that you are learning.
No, uncle, I just forgot.
And you are not learning.
I just forgot, uncle.
Shucks. You are just 11th standard, you are forgetting. Man. That's not nice. Memory. If you are telling I have some difficulty in understanding how the problem is done, that I can understand. But you are failing in your memory. The textbook is clearly telling that arithmetic mean will always be largest. Geometric mean will always be next largest, second largest. Harmonic mean will always be smallest. Arithmetic mean is coming as 25 means. Geometric mean will usually come as 19 or something. Harmonic mean will come like 16 or something. Same set of data, you calculate arithmetic mean, it will be largest. Geometric mean will be next largest. Harmonic mean will be smallest. Okay, what is the answer? D.
D, yeah.
Okay, at least 8th one you tell. Harmonic mean, I already told you.
Arithmetic mean of the reciprocal of the values. This one
very good, very good. Fantastic, correct. Very good. Yeah. Now, 9 sum also very simple. You tell me. What median is the same as I told you, no?
Q3, uncle.
Tell us all.
Q3, no, uncle. Option C.
No. This is Q1. Median. This is Q2. And then Q2. And this is Q3. This is the median. Q2 is the median. You divide the data, no? 1, 2, 3 you are dividing. Central one is median. Okay, this one is Q1. This one is Q3. This is called upper quartile. This is called lower quartile. And this is Q2, central quartile. Okay, that is only median. So you're not understood anything, man. Oh, we finished quartiles, we finished deciles, we finished percentiles, we have finished probability now. And you no doubts at all.
I'm recollecting, uncle. I'm recollecting.
Okay. So then what you do? Then you recollect and do this exercise 8.3 again. You have to revise this lesson because you have forgotten everything. Otherwise, I have to give exam and stop giving the, taking the examples. I have to stop teaching and start giving tests.
Sure.
Either you study yourself or I have to start giving tests and we'll have to go slowly. We can't cover the portions. You want me to finish the portion so that you know everything, or you want me to go slowly, not finish the portions, do only 3 or 4 chapters, like your school will do. Last minute they'll tell you learn everything. I don't want to do that. I want
Sure,
you
uncle.
to
We
learn
finish the
everything.
portions.
I want you to learn everything. I'm doing. You see, when you listen with me, you will understand that maths is a very easy thing. Other things only you have to scratch your head and remember this and that. Here there are very few formulas. Most of the things are done only by understanding and by
Yeah.
imagination. Either you understand or you imagine. Very little is formula. Those few formula you'll have to remember that you can't. Okay, let us come to 10 sum. 9 sum is B, Q2.
Oh yeah, Q2. Okay.
Q2 is median. Okay. How you have to understand that? Like this only. This is Q1. 25% is under Q1. 50% is under Q2. 75% is under Q3. And then 100% is the full thing. Q4. Right. Now let us do 10 sum. 10 sum, you have to do sum. It is a sum. The median of 10, 14, 11, 9, 8, 12, and 6. Okay, let us arrange in the ascending order. 6, then what will
6,
come?
10, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14.
Okay, what is the median now?
Median is 10, uncle. 10.
Yes. A, answer A, 10. Otherwise, by formula, what is the median? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N is equal to 7. N plus 1 by 2th item. That is equal to 8th item. 8 by 2th item. 4th item. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4th item is 10. Okay?
Yeah.
Remember the formula N plus 1 by 2th
uncle, I
item.
remember that. I remember that.
11th, the mean of the values 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Now we have to calculate sigma x by n. Mean of the values. Sigma x of I by n. How much is 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 divided by 5. N is equal to 5. How much? 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 65 divided by 5. How much? 65 by 5 is 13.
Answer D. Okay.
65 by 5. What is 13? Answer D.
Answer D.
Yes, correct. Okay, 11 problems you have done. Let us now take a break and post it here. Now, you have to finish this one today.
Sure.
Some things you can take as homework.
Okay.
Okay. Whatever we don't finish, you finish as homework. 25 sums, all of that you can't finish. Okay, 25th and 24th. 24th sum, you tell me. What is the answer?
24th, uncle. The possible probability of impossible event is 0, uncle.
Very good. B, 0. Okay. 25th sum, you tell me.
Probability that at least one of the events A, B occur. Least one, uncle.
At least one occurs, not least.
At least one, okay.
At least one occurs. A or B occurs.
C, uncle.
C, yeah. That is A occurs dependent on B occurs, A occurs. Got nothing to do.
Okay. A and B.
You have a probability.
Intersection B. Intersection B. So it's a B, uncle.
No. Both A and B, both of them occurs means it is A intersection B.
But
Either
least one
A or
only,
B
no, uncle.
occurs.
It's
Either
written.
A or B occurs. It's
But
A union B.
But
I
it
think you have
shows
to understood the
least one,
concepts of
uncle.
probability. Yeah.
It shows least one. So it should be either A or B, no, uncle.
A or B. That is A union B only.
Okay.
You have not understood probability from your 9th standard, man. Probability is common sense. You have to use common sense to understand probability. Okay, either I am murdered or you are murdered. Okay, both of us are standing and we are going to shoot each other. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
Suppose let us say either I am murdered or you are murdered, means either A occurs or B occurs. Okay, what is the
Okay.
probability? It means A union B. Okay.
But why is it A
Both are
union B,
murdered.
uncle?
Both of us get murdered. That means both A and B occur. That is A intersection B. Okay, the chance is
Intersection B.
less.
Okay.
Okay, only A occurs. That means A occurs and it is intersection B does not occur. Only A occurs mean A occurs but B does not occur. Only Abel Raj is killed, James is alive. Okay, that is A intersection B dash. Okay, this one is the opposite. Okay, A is alive but B is killed. A is alive but Abel Raj is alive but James gets killed. Okay, that is A dash intersection B. Okay, this intersection means both happens. What happens here? Abel Raj is alive happens, James is killed happens. That is why both happens. Both and means intersection. Either or means union. Okay, either or means union. Okay, very important. Okay, now let us do 23. Will come from reverse. 23.
23.
The probability of obtaining an even prime number on each die. Okay, now sample space is when a pair of dice is rolled, 1, 1, 1, 2, like that, 1, 3 goes to 1, 6, like that, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, like that, 2, 6, like that, 3, 1 goes on to 3, 6, like that, 4, 1, 5, 1.
Uncle, I think it's
Okay,
1
you
by
know
3,
this
uncle.
now. There are 36. N of S is 36.
36.
Okay, out of this, both the times even prime number. What is the only even prime number in the world?
2.
2.
Sorry.
Okay. Both the times 2 should occur. Where is it?
Both the times 2 should occur.
இங்க ஒரே ஒரு இடத்துல தான் இருக்குது. சரியா?
See, uncle, 1, 2, 2. But in the book, it should be C, no, uncle.
2, 2, only once it occurs. So number of favorable events, number of the event is 1. Number of the sample space is 36. 1 by 36. Okay.
Yeah.
So which is the correct answer?
A, uncle.
A. Okay. Let us go to 22. Let us sample space, this common sense. Okay. Let us sample space of an experiment B, E1, E2, E up to En. Okay. Then the sigma 1 is equal, I is equal to 1 to N, P of E. P of E of I is equal to, is telling event is P of E1 plus P of E2 plus P of E3, like that till P of En is equal to what? These are all the events occurring. Okay, these are all the events possible. Okay, suppose you assume that a bolt is produced by machine A, bolt is produced by machine B, bolt is produced by machine C, and bolt is produced by machine D. Okay, that is all. Only there are n number of machines. Bolt can be produced only from these 4 machines. Okay, what is the probability that the bolt is machine? I mean, bolt is produced. These are all collective, mutually exhaustive events. Okay, collectively exhaustive events. Collectively exhaustive events மாதிரி. So இதுல இருந்து தான் வர முடியும். Okay, so இது எல்லாமே சேர்ந்துச்சுன்னா probability is 1. Okay, ஏன்னா the bolt can come from only either of all these machines. Okay, so the probability is 1. Okay, the total number of all the probabilities, possible probabilities is 122. 22 is very important. You have to understand probability in order to understand this sum. There is nothing to work out. No formula will help you. Okay, all the events are there. If they are exhaustive events, so what is the probability of all the exhaustive events? It is 1. If all these events happen, then it is sure to happen. That means if it is sure to happen, it is a certain event. Certain event means P of certain event is 1. Okay. Let us do 21 now. If outcome of one event does not influence another event, then the 2 events are what?
Independent, uncle.
Very good, very good. Independent events, 21. Let us do 20th sum now. What is 20th sum? The probability of drawing a spade from a pack of cards. Okay, n of favorable events for A, n of the total number of events. What are the total number of cards?
52.
How many spades are there?
4.
Oh, no,
One
no,
uncle.
no.
1. 1, 1, 1,
How
1.
many spades are there?
Okay, 1 uncle. 1.
A spade is there, 2 spade is there, 3 spade is there, 13
Oh,
spades are there.
13.
How
Yeah.
much then?
13 then.
13 by 52. Simplify, how much you'll get?
13 by 52.
How many times 13 will go in 52?
1 uncle.
Hey, 52 by
13 by
13 எவ்வளோடா?
13.
You are tired today.
Yeah, uncle. Okay.
இதுக்காக பதில் சொல்லு. 13 into what is 52?
13 into
13 then table you tell.
uncle.
இப்படி இருந்தா நீ எப்படா பாஸ் ஆகுறது? திடீர்னு you are doing this thing.
4 uncle.
4.
Yeah.
1/4. What is answer then? D. 1/4, 28 sum. Okay. Okay, let us do. You have to study, man. That's what I am understanding. You're not studying and you're not using common sense. Probability is all about common sense. Okay, exercise 8.3. Let us do 12 sum now. Come again from here. 20 வரைக்கும் பண்ணியாச்சு நம்ம. 12 to 19 will be homework, whatever we leave out. Okay.
Okay.
If the mean of 1, 2, 3 up to n is 6n by 11. Okay.
Uncle, we did that, no? The answer was, yeah. Uncle, we did that.
இல்லையாப்பா, mean of 11th sum தான் பண்ணோம். 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is 65 by 5 is 13 போட்டோம். 12 sum பண்ணல. Okay. What is mean? X bar is equal to sigma x of I by n. I is equal to 1 to n. Okay. Now he is telling values are 1, 2, 3 up to n. Okay. So I is equal to 1 to n. Now sigma x bar by I. Okay. Now sum of the first n natural numbers. Thus have a formula. Okay. So sigma x of I is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. You remember this formula?
Yeah, I remember.
So this is the numerator. This is the numerator. Denominator is n. Divide this by n. So you can divide by n. Okay, this will cancel out. N plus 1 by 2 is your answer. So what is telling? This is equal to 6n by 11 is telling. It's given this. Okay. So now what you do? N plus 1, you bring this 11 this side. 11 into n plus 1. You bring this 2 this side. 2 into 6n. That means 11n plus 11 is equal to 12n. Okay. You take this that side. 11 is equal to 12n minus 11n. 11 is equal to how much? 12 minus 11 is how much? 1n.
1.
Okay. N is equal to 11.
Okay. Yeah.
Which one?
C, uncle.
C. Okay. Okay. Let us do 8.3. 13 sum.
Harmonic mean is better than.
Harmonic mean is better than other means if the data are for what?
Ratio or proportions, uncle?
No. I'm telling again and again, you are not listening at all. Arithmetic mean is for mere numbers, only when numbers are coming. Geometric mean means when changes are reported over time. Over time, data is changing. Either population is changing over the years, or something is changing over the weeks, or something is changing. Your marks are changing over the months. Then geometric mean.
Okay.
Harmonic mean is for rate, kilometers per hour, or kilometers per
speed
liter,
or rate,
or something like that. Which one now?
A, uncle.
A, correct. A is the answer. The first quartile is also known as what?
The first quartile is also known as lower quartile, uncle.
Very good. It's also known as lower quartile. 14 is correct. Now your memory is slowly coming back. If Q1 is equal to 30 and Q3 is equal to 50, what is coefficient? What is the formula?
Formula of Q1 is n plus 1 by 4.
Sorry, Q3 minus Q1 by Q3 plus Q1. Now tell me. How much and how much?
Uncle, Q3.
Tell me da. Q3 means Q3 is how much?
Q3 is 50, uncle.
Minus how much?
30.
Divided by how much?
Q3 50, uncle.
Plus?
Minus 30.
Minus plus?
Plus 30.
So how much is this? 50 minus 30 how much?
20.
50 plus 30 how much?
80.
How much? Simplify 2 by 8 how much?
4.
1 by 4.
Yeah.
What by 4?
1 by 4.
1 by 4 is the correct answer.
Yeah.
Irukda? 0.25 is given. Correct answer.
Yeah, 0.25. Okay.
0.25. D is the correct answer. Okay. 14B. 15th is D. Okay, let us post this on the so are very simple sums, man. You have to remember. If you are not remembering the formula, coefficient you are not remembering, nothing you are remembering, then what is the point? 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, now tell me 19 some answer. We'll go backward. Whatever we don't finish, you have to do in your homework. Okay. Almost everything we finished.
Yeah.
19th, 8.3. 19 some you tell answer.
The two events A and B are dependent. Then the conditional probability of P slash A is
what?
It is A and B are dependent on each, so they're dependent on each other.
What is the formula? This formula also you forgot. P of A intersection B by P of A.
B, uncle.
Not P of A. C.
C, yeah.
C. P of B by A into P of A will be P of A intersection B. I'm telling you again, A will come in the bottom, A will come on the top there. Okay. A will come in the bottom, A will come on the top there. This is the multiplication theorem. You are not remembering that. This is called multiplication theorem. If the events are dependent, then P of B by A into P of A equal to P of A intersection B. If the events are independent, then P of B into P of A is equal to P of A intersection B. If they are independent, there is no dependency. There is no dependency. So A you can take off. Okay. Remember that. Here A is coming in the denominator. A is coming in the numerator here. It's coming on top. It's coming on bottom here. Okay. That is then this one is always P of A intersection B. You have to revise this lesson, man. Okay. We did everything. And then now you are telling that you don't know anything. It's very sad. You have to revise the lesson. Start studying. You are not studying. 18th problem, you tell me.
18th answer.
A and B are independent if?
A and B are independent if? Option C, uncle. No. Yeah. Option B, uncle.
Option?
B.
B. Correct.
D.
Option B is correct. Just now I told you.
Yeah.
P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B. If this is the true, then it is an independent. The two are independent events.
Yeah.
How will you prove two are independent events? You will first find P of A, then you will find P of B, then you will find P of A intersection B. Then you will prove that P of A into P of B is equal to P of A intersection B. That is how you prove that A and B are independent. You did problems also using this. Now you are not telling anything. Okay. One more problem you can do. 1 minute is there.
Yeah.
16 sum you tell. Hey, with that everything over.
Yeah, uncle. We should do 17th.
16th, 17th. You tell 17. 16 alone you do for homework.
Okay. So the two events of A and B are mutually exclusive is option A and option C, uncle. Option A, uncle. Option A.
This is 9th standard probability maths.
Option A, uncle.
Option
Option
A,
A.
correct.
Yeah.
What is meant by mutually exclusive?
Mutually, commonly exclusive.
There is
uncle.
nothing in common.
Yeah.
Okay. Both of them will never occur together. A and B will never occur together. That is what it means. If A occurs, B will not occur. If B occurs, A will not occur. That is only thing. See, I think you're not understanding the basic concepts. That is why you are struggling with probability. Please revise probability tomorrow for 1 hour.
Okay.
Sit with the book. Revise probability and statistics for 1 hour. Half an hour you revise probability. Half an hour you revise statistics. Okay. Then you come for the Tuesday class. Okay. Because Tuesday we are starting correlation. Unless you know statistics, you will not understand anything in correlation and regression.
Okay.
Okay. This chapter you have to master in order to start doing the next chapter. Please study and come. Set aside 1 hour. Take memorize all the formulas. Go through the examples, or go through the whatever WhatsApp you have put and come. Okay. 16 sum is homework.
Okay.
Right. 16 sum alone homework. We finished now. As far as I know, I have finished a lesson for you. Everything has been done. Okay. Next class we are going to start correlation and regression analysis. Next class, Tuesday.
Uncle, we can do 16 sum no, uncle.
No. You do for homework. You do. You do now itself after you finish the class. That's all. Okay. Okay, bye, man. Very nice class. Okay.
Thank you,
Everything you have to revise now. That's all.
Sure.
Okay.
Thank you, uncle. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
man. Bye-bye.